Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a bike check of my bike.
They think you're told, some say that I'm blind.
피냐콜라다 알코올 sipping 너의 피부색처럼 dripping 지금 내 핸드폰에 비친 네 모습에 나는 dripping.
Hey guys, this is my 2016 Redline Flight. Had it for about a year now and figured you guys could see it now. I mean, it's been a year, so let's do it. Let's start out with the wheels. I got some, just nothing special, just some nice aviation rear. Start out with the bars. I just got some standard answer bars. Nothing too special, just 7-inch, I think, or no, they're 8-inch. Got the ODI Trolley grips with pink and purple ODI bar ends. We have the Pro Max brake lever along with the Pro Max brake set. Got the State 2 plate on there. We got the Redline Flight stem bottom load, but I flipped it upside down to turn it into a top load. FSA headset, box XL fork, nothing too special. Aviation wheels front and rear. Let's go to the frame. So this here is a 2016 Redline Flight. It's always been one of my dream bikes, and just last year I finally got to get it. Got a good deal for it, $500 just for this. Just a complete bike. Kid never wanted it. His dad got it for him. Never rode it. Only one time, I'm pretty sure. We got the Tioga pivotal saddle. Pretty cool. I've never had a pivotal on a race bike, so it's kind of different. Cranks. It's got some Redline Flight stock cranks with Crank Bro pedals. I love Crank Bros. Got some, and we have the Renan 43.22 sprocket. Pretty cool. Love it. Got the KMC oil slick chain. Runs well. Pretty cool. Built-in chain tensioners, so you don't have to mess with all the outside stuff. And also, my bike came with extra sets of these for different size axle widths, so you can swap that out and then put a different hub on there, and then you're still set for the chain tensioners. I just got some Tioga power blocks, planning on getting rid of these soon. I have a Redline Flight 15 hub. It's really nice, love it. There's very little lag in there. Pedals like a champ. And today, I actually just got new brakes because, yeah, I blew my old one out just yesterday. Stop now. You don't really need them, but for when you do, you got them. Alright, so a couple of my favorite things about this bike probably are the gussets. So, we don't really have a gusset here, we just have a reinforcement, which is pretty nice. But in the seat tube, you got gussets, and that's pretty important right there. And the rails, they just look flawless. They're so beautiful on this bike. Yeah, and I just love the way this rides. I should be on a Pro, but I'm on an Expert XL right now. I just kind of like the smaller bikes, because you guys know that I'm a mountain biker, and downhill bikes, you want them smaller. But, well, I personally like it. And it's just more fun, and so it just feels more like a downhill bike. That's my bike check. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. Bye!
No, but I wasn't wrong.